Hi everyone, Jemo here from Bukas Palad. Wow, 6 years is quite a long time. And who would have thought that from the message boards, mag-expand ang ating BP online community into an online community choir. And who would have thought that we would all be here today. We in Bukas Palad are very thankful that the BP online community has really grown. Hindi lang dito sa Philippines, kundi pati na rin sa world. Nax. Pero seriously, as Bukas Palad has grown throughout the years, hindi naman namin mararating ang kung nasan man kami kung hindi rin dahil sa inyo. At natutuwa rin kami na kasama namin kayong lahat sa ministry na ito. Patuloy sanang lumaki pa ang ating online community at sana pagpatuloy nyo rin ng pagsama sa amin sa pagsispread ng ministry na ito. Ano pa ba masasabi ko? Na-enjoy ko palagi yung pagkikita-kita natin pag merong mga BP gigs, pag meron ring mga BPOCC na Sunday masses. So, we'll see you around, guys.